Hey everyone, welcome back to Seattle Queen Am. This channel is where we unlock interview strategies and explore the latest in tech together. I am Queen Am, and today we are diving into a hot topic that's popping up in tech interviews and real-world AI applications. It's called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. If you are preparing for interview at big tech, want to stay ahead of AI curve, or just love learning how things work behind the scenes, this one is for you. Please feel free to subscribe this channel and we'll keep you updated of the latest technology. Here you go. So let's get started. Let's jump into what exactly is RAG. In plain English, RAG is a way to make large language models like ChatGPT or GPT-4 even smarter by giving them the ability to search for facts, almost like letting your AI model Google things before it answers. This approach mixes a retrieval step where the model grabs relevant information from a database or document store, and a generation step where it uses that information to craft a response. For anyone preparing for interview or understanding RAG will not only make you stand out, but also help you spot where the tech industry is headed next. So why RAG is needed? Standard language models are powerful, but have two big problems. First, they sometimes hallucinate or make up answers. Second, they don't have access to up-to-date or highly specialized information. RAG solves both by fetching relevant context just in time for each query. Here's how RAG works at a high level. First, you ask a question, the retriever search a knowledge base and fetch the most relevant document. The generator takes both of your questions and those documents then generate a final information and generate answers based on those information. Let me show you the graph. All right, so based on the graph, as you can see, so there are two steps. One is the data indexing, so which is organizing and transforming the content into vectors for easy access before the question reach out to the system. Second is the data retrieval and generation, so which is querying the database and generate contextually relevant response. Once we've established how RAG pipeline functions, the next step is integrated into a language model like GPT-4 to facilitate this connection. So one of the important parts is the embedding model. In order to effectively retrieve information, we need always represent the document in a format that can be processed mathematically. This is achieved through an embedding model, which translates context like text, images, videos, and audios into vectors that capture the semantic meaning of the data. Those vectors represent the positions of each pieces of data in a multi-dimensional space. The closing of vector indicates their similarities. This makes it easier to identify the relevant content. So embeddings allows the calculation of the similarities between the data points. So when a user asks a question, the model can retrieve the most relevant content by comparing the virtualized query to virtualized document in the knowledge base. So once those information is ready, and with the original query, that is gonna to put into the LLM, and the LLM will be able to justify the answers and then to return as the response. The main pieces in our RAG system are the retriever, which does fast semantic search, often using a vector database, the generator, which is your large language model, and a knowledge base, which could be your company's documents, a database, or even live web pages. Where is RAG used for? Imagine an enterprise chatbot that answers HR questions from your internal wiki, or customer support bot that knows all your product menus. RAG is also great for medical, legal, or technical AI assistance that must be up to date and accurate. Let's get a bit more technical. The retriever typically uses dense vector search. The libraries like FAISS, PyCo, or WaveRate. The generator's prompt is constructed by combining the user query and the retrieved documents. Challenges include latency, context window limitations, and ensuring responses stay grounded in the provided source. If you want to build a RAG system, check out frameworks like LangChain, Llama Index, or Haystack. Those tools make it easier to plug retrieval and generation together. Use your choice of the databases and LLMs. In summary, RAG combines the best of search and language generation. It reduces hallucinations, fills knowledge gaps, and is already having a huge impact in enterprise, healthcare, and beyond. Want to learn more or try it yourself? Dive into those open source frameworks I mentioned and experiment with building your own RAG-powered applications. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the practical AI. So in the future, we were gonna to demo how those is working and how we are gonna to make fun with RAGs of different experiments. That's it for today. If you have questions, drop down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. You noticed something special in the background? You just unlock an Easter egg. This is more than meets the eye on this channel. So I used Sora from ChatGPT and my original some of the pictures and to generate animation. Alright, so it's not perfect, but we can do more and make some of the fun things and make it brilliant in the future. Stay curious and see you next time.